Let's look at this SMD resistor, which has a marking of 20X. The marking looks a little confusing. There's a table to refer to called the EIA 96 marking rule table. Let's have a look. 20X can be broken down to 20 and X. From our table, we can see that code 20 corresponds to 158. X is the multiplier, which in this case is 10 to the power of minus 1, which equals 0.1. So now we have 158 multiplied by 0.1, which is of course 15.8. So the value of our resistor is 15.8 ohms. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more electronics videos.